Hello Chiliz holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the big news of the Chiliz. What's the current price of the Chiliz? What's the price change occurring the Chiliz? In this video I'm going to show you, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel and also like this video, my friends. My friends, today is the first day of the July month, and in the beginning of the July month the price of the Chiliz is falls down. The price changes of the Chiliz is negative. You can see here, my friends, that the changes is negative, my friends. But now at this time again the prices again start moving upward, start positive, my friends. Now at this time, in the last hour, in the last 60 minutes, the price change is positive 0.68%. So now at this time the things is getting better, my friends. Anyways, my friends, at this time my personal advice for all short-term investor, for short-term investor, that please buy more and more Chiliz token, my friends. How much you more buy Chiliz, that's how you can get a high amount of profit, my friends. So that's why I personally recommend, I personally advise for all of short-term investors that please buy Chiliz. Absolutely, my friends, you will get a good amount of profit with the Chiliz, my friend. If you hold for 28-29 days, my friends, you have to only for 1 month, my friends, and after that absolutely you will get a high amount of profit, my friends. Anyways, how do you feel today about the Chiliz? What is your prediction? What is your opinion? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and update videos.